Today we will discuss an important physiological concept known as blood pressure. Blood pressure is a vital sign that indicates how effectively the heart and blood vessels are functioning. It represents the force exerted by circulating blood against the walls of the arteries. Maintaining proper blood pressure is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to all tissues and organs in the body. When blood pressure becomes too high or too low, it can lead to various health complications. In this presentation, we will explore what blood pressure is, the factors that affect it, how it is measured, how the body regulates it, the normal blood pressure levels, and the disorders associated with abnormal blood pressure. Blood pressure refers to the force exerted by blood against the inner walls of arteries as it circulates through the body. The heart acts as a pump. Each time it beats, it pushes blood into the arteries, creating pressure. This pressure allows blood to move through the entire circulatory system and reach different organs and tissues. Blood pressure is extremely important because it ensures that oxygen, nutrients, and hormones are transported throughout the body while waste products are removed. If blood pressure is too low, organs may not receive enough blood supply. If it is too high, it can damage the blood vessels and organs over time. Therefore, maintaining an optimal blood pressure level is essential for healthy body functioning. Several factors influence blood pressure. The first factor is cardiac output, which refers to the amount of blood the heart pumps per minute. When the heart pumps more blood, the pressure in the arteries increases. The second factor is peripheral resistance. Peripheral resistance is the resistance offered by the blood vessels to blood flow. When blood vessels become narrower, resistance increases and blood pressure rises. Another important factor is blood volume. If the volume of blood circulating in the body increases, blood pressure also increases. Finally, the elasticity of arteries plays a role. Healthy arteries are elastic and flexible, which helps maintain normal pressure. When arteries become stiff or narrow due to aging or disease, blood pressure tends to rise. Blood pressure is recorded as two numbers. For example, a typical reading might be 120 over 80 millimeters of mercury, written as 120 over 80 millimeters of mercury. The first number is called systolic pressure. This represents the pressure inside the arteries when the heart contracts and pumps blood out into the circulation. It is the highest pressure in the arteries. The second number is called diastolic pressure. This represents the pressure in the arteries when the heart relaxes between beats and fills with blood. It is the lowest pressure in the arteries. Both numbers are important for evaluating cardiovascular health. Doctors use these values to determine whether a person's blood pressure is normal, high, or low. Blood pressure is measured using an instrument known as a sphygmomanometer. This device consists of three main components: an inflatable cuff, a pressure gauge, and a stethoscope or digital sensor. The cuff is wrapped around the upper arm and inflated. This temporarily compresses the artery and stops blood flow. As the cuff slowly deflates, blood begins to flow through the artery again. The healthcare professional listens for specific sounds using a stethoscope. The first sound heard indicates the systolic pressure, and the point at which the sound disappears indicates the diastolic pressure. Today, digital blood pressure monitors are also widely used, allowing people to check their blood pressure easily at home. The body has several mechanisms to regulate blood pressure and maintain it within a normal range. One important mechanism involves the nervous system. Special sensors called baroreceptors, located in blood vessels, detect changes in blood pressure. These sensors send signals to the brain, which then adjusts heart rate and blood vessel diameter to stabilize pressure. Another mechanism involves hormonal regulation. Hormones such as adrenaline can increase heart rate and constrict blood vessels, which raises blood pressure. Hormones like angiotensin and aldosterone also help regulate blood pressure. The kidneys also play a major role. They regulate the amount of fluid and salt in the body. By controlling fluid levels, the kidneys help maintain stable blood pressure. Together, these systems ensure that blood pressure remains within a healthy range. Blood pressure levels are classified into different categories. A normal blood pressure reading is typically less than 120 over 80 millimeters of mercury. When the systolic pressure is between 120 and 129, but the diastolic pressure is still below 80, the condition is considered elevated blood pressure. Stage 1 hypertension occurs when the systolic pressure is between 130 and 139. or diastolic pressure is between 80 and 89. Stage 2, hypertension occurs when blood pressure reaches 140 over 90 or higher. Regular monitoring is important because many people with high blood pressure do not experience noticeable symptoms. There are two major disorders associated with abnormal blood pressure. The first is hypertension, which means persistently high blood pressure. Hypertension is a serious condition that can damage blood vessels and organs over time. It increases the risk of heart attack, stroke, kidney disease, and vision problems. Because it often has no symptoms, hypertension is sometimes called the silent killer. The second disorder is hypotension, which refers to abnormally low blood pressure. When blood pressure becomes too low, the body may not receive adequate blood supply. Symptoms can include dizziness, fainting, blurred vision, and fatigue. Both conditions require medical attention and proper management. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is essential for long-term health. One of the most effective ways to maintain normal blood pressure is regular physical activity. Exercise strengthens the heart and improves blood circulation. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is also important. Reducing salt intake helps prevent fluid retention and high blood pressure. Maintaining a healthy body weight can significantly reduce the risk of hypertension. Avoiding smoking and limiting alcohol consumption are also important lifestyle changes. In addition, managing stress through activities like yoga, meditation, or relaxation techniques can help maintain stable blood pressure. Regular health checkups and monitoring are essential for early detection and prevention. To summarize, blood pressure is the force exerted by blood against the walls of arteries during circulation. It is expressed as systolic pressure and diastolic pressure and is measured using a device called a sphygmomanometer. Blood pressure is regulated by the nervous system, hormones, and kidneys, which work together to maintain balance. Normal blood pressure is generally around 120 over 80 millimeters of mercury. Abnormal blood pressure can lead to disorders such as hypertension and hypotension, which may cause serious health complications. By adopting healthy lifestyle habits and monitoring blood pressure regularly, individuals can maintain good cardiovascular health. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe and enable the bell icon for future notifications.